Devendra Patel is the councillor in Umrech Municipal Bureau in Anand district of Gujarat. He religiously performs all duties assigned to him by the public. He raises the voice against the corruption in the municipal bureau. A corrupt president of bureau was suspended as a result of his right to information application and his honesty. His non-cooperation to the wrongdoings in execution brought the scam in the bureau out. It happened this way. Listen the story. The proposal to pass the bill of amount rupees 15,300 came on the table of executive body of bureau. Devendra Bhai asked for the details on this bill, and the response was some of the members had gone to Delhi for some meeting and the tour bill for this had to be passed.
જ્યારે મને એવું લાગ્યું કે આમાં કંઈક ખોટી રમત રમાઈ રહી છે અને કંઈક ભ્રષ્ટાચાર થયો છે એટલે મારે આરટીઆઈનો સહારો લેવાની ફરજ પડી.
Devendra Bhai smelled something fishy in this entire case. He was believer of honesty and thought that the public funds should not be misused. He applied for the RTI to get the information on the list of attendee members of bureau in the meeting at Delhi. He was replied that the president of bureau and sanitary inspector had gone to Delhi for the meeting of an organization namely NISPUT. Devendra Bhai made an RTI application to the municipal bureau demanding the details of muster on the day of meeting at Delhi. Surprisingly, the president had signed in the muster on that day, which meant that he had not gone to Delhi.
માહિતી અધિકાર હેઠળ મેં દરેક જગ્યાએ એટલે કે નગરપાલિકાથી માંડીને નિયામકશ્રીને તકેદારી આયોગ સુધી મારા જે કંઈ પેપર ગયા એ પેપરની સર્વે માહિતી મેં એકત્રિત કરી.
The members need to get the permission from the Gujarat Municipal Finance Board if they have to go out of the station for any official purpose, and the bureau is supposed to pay the nomination fees of rupees 500 per person to the board. Devendra Bhai again applied to get the evidences, and he received the information that no any single member from Umrech Municipal Bureau was nominated to attend the meeting at Delhi. He got another proof that neither the president nor the sanitary inspector had gone to Delhi for meeting. He informed to the Vigilance Commission about the entire scam. The Vigilance Commission handed the probe over to the Director of Municipal Bureaus in Gandhinagar. The director asked the district collector of Anand to submit the report on the factual data of evidences filed by Devendra Bhai.
અને નિયામકશ્રીએ મને હુકમ આપ્યો કે ભાઈ આ માણસો ખોટા છે અને તમે આ બાબતમાં સાચા હતા એટલે મને એ હુકમનો ન્યાય મળ્યો. એ માહિતી અધિકારના હિસાબે જ મળી શક્યો એવું મારું પોતાનું અંગત માનવું છે.
The collector, with the thorough investigation by the chief officer of Umrech Municipal Bureau, sent the report to Gandhinagar depicting that the evidence were true.
કોઈપણ અધિકારી સાથે હું ડાયરેક્ટ નહીં પણ પેપર કોન્ટેક્ટ તો કરી શકતો હતો. એ માહિતી અધિકારના હિસાબે જ કોન્ટેક્ટ કરી શક્યો અને મને સાચી માહિતી મળી શકી માહિતી અધિકારના હિસાબે.
The director of Municipal Bureau took the action against the president of Umrech Municipal Bureau under the Article 37 and he was suspended, while the affidavit from the sanitary inspector was taken in writing. The president submitted the amount of rupees 15,000 out of 30,000 he got as an advance, while the rest 15,000 rupees were collected from the members of bureau, except Devendra Bhai, as he was the only person who did not sign under the bill in the general meeting of bureau, while others were fined for supporting the unfair practice. The entire movement went upon up to 1.5 years with the support of RTI. Devendra Bhai was confirmed that if the RTI is used on the right way, people can be served better. Devendra Bhai was confirmed that the RTI is used right way, people can be served better. People fighting against the injustice and unfair practices with the help of RTI can take the lesson from the case of Devendra Bhai. Generally, applicants of RTI used to withdraw their movements after some delay in reply of the application. Sometimes in the first application or sometimes at the time of second application, they lose their hearts. But Devendra Bhai is a persistent person, and a person like him can do something for the sake of people. He has taught us the lesson that the patience can do the miracle. Now Devendra Bhai's accountability and sincerity for the welfare of people is strengthened after this case.